or concave polygon. So convex polygon, ang clue ra gud ining dapita, vertices are going outwards. When you say also concave polygon, the vertices are going inwards. Or kung bisayon nato, si convex, ang vertices ingon ani padulong tanan sa gawas. Kung when you say concave polygon pod, ang uban niyang vertices kay pasulod, just like kani pasulod sa tunga mo na siya iyahang ilhanan. So therefore, naman tay mga clue, kani kay ang the vertices of this polygon are going outwards or pagawas. Therefore, kani siya nga polygon is convex. And kani, some of the polygons, this part, are going inside. Therefore, this is concave. Next, going outwards, this is convex. This one, also star lang, ang hiwi, the star, some of the vertices are going inwards. Diba? So, this is concave.